Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday gold proved again that gold is not for weak-hearted people. Gold is not for high blood pressure patients, and I believe that gold reduces our lifespan just like smoking cigarettes. Okay, because gold is so volatile that it makes us crazy. So now we can see that gold is standing at 2327 or around 2330 area. So gold was extremely bullish, then gold was sideways, then we got to see heavy fall on gold. We got to see 1,000 pips fall in just 4 to 5 hours, and it was a clear-cut confirmation that gold is coming for retracement. The whole world was waiting for retracement. Gold was showing signs of retracement, but yesterday we got to see a big bounce again. In a previous video, yesterday's video, in fact, we discussed also that technically, though gold was showing signs of retracement or correction, but something was not adding up. Remember, I showed you the contracts. I also discussed the possibility of a bounce from there. But to be honest, I was not convinced. Okay, I was on a sell position. Okay, I was on a sell position. I had a sell stop. In fact, I was in profit. Okay, but I am also a human being. I also have emotions. I also have my own challenges. And yesterday I was trapped on my sell positions. Yes, positions means I took multiple sell positions because see, after when the sell stop was triggered, okay, I was in profit, but I felt okay, maybe there is a high chance that market will go down further, so I did not exit. But when market bounced back, okay, so I tried to average out. Okay, I have been trading for a long time, so I'm good with averaging. Yesterday, I also managed to make some profit also when few of my positions were lost. Okay, but overall I was in profit. But yes, okay, we all have an itch inside us, isn't it? So I got greedy. I thought that okay, I should wait, and ultimately, okay, I saw that okay, there was no stopping. Gold was bullish, and see, whatever it is, okay, I always follow risk management. I saw that my account was almost down by 3%. Okay, so I thought that okay, it's high time to exit. So I exited from the sell. Thankfully, I exited because after that market showed big upside. Okay, I exited around 2305. Okay, and market made a high of 2331, 2332. So things a little crazy right now. Okay, so let's look at the trading opportunities for a day. And this was my story from yesterday. So at first, let's look at the contracts data. So at this moment, we do not have a clear picture of the contracts data also. My dear friends, please do not criticize me because this data belongs to the futures market. We trade on spot market. There may not be a logic, but on numerous instances, occasions, we have seen how powerful the data works. And yesterday also we got to see that. So at this moment, this data is not very important for us because we do not have a clear picture from this here. Okay, and if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we have a news coming up during the US session, but this is not a big news, so you can just expect a temporary volatility for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and after that market will be back to normal again. Or in simple words, you can expect the market to be under the influence of the present market sentiment. Okay, because when there's a big news like CPI, NFP, then we can expect a complete trend reversal in the market. This is not a big news, so we can expect just a temporary volatility. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold extends decline. Gold falls again after plunging the most in nearly 2 years on Monday as international tensions ease. So this was the main reason why gold was falling. But the jump yesterday, okay, trapped almost all the day traders who were on sell. So the market sentiment is also not aligned with the chart right now. So we are on our own. So let's look at the trading opportunities for the day. My dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to show you an amazing thing, Dotbee. Dotbee is a very intelligent chatbot powered by artificial intelligence that can change your trading completely. You just need to sign in with your Google account. Then you'll see three options: currency and commodity, cryptocurrency, and stock exchange. We love to trade on gold, so we will go with AI trader, currency and commodity. After choosing your desired option, you will land on this page. Here you will find mostly two sections. On the left hand side, we have the chatbot where you can ask questions, and on the right hand side, we have the ready-made part, that is ready-made analysis. You just need to click on the search bar. You will see options like Euro USD, GBP USD, and from here you need to select your desired pair. So here is a beloved XAUSD. Let's select XAUSD here, and on top of it you can see 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So you need to select the time frame, and we can see analysis of XAUSD for 15 minutes. Okay, you just need to select the time frame. For example, 1 day. So when we have selected 1 day, so it will be showing you the analysis of XAUSD for 1 day. So you can see that you don't need to spend hours for analysis. The Dotbee will do everything for you. And at the bottom you can see ask a question, means you can ask the chatbot. So just click here. For example, let's type in fundamental analysis of XAUUSD. Okay, just press the enter. You just need to wait for a few seconds and you will see that you are getting the answer from Dotbee. Okay, so this is how you can use Dotbee, and Dotbee can really change your trading style. Dotbee can save a lot of your time. And one of the most important feature of Dotbee is that it is very flexible too. For example, okay, this is the chart of gold in front of us and I want to use Dotbee at the same time. So what you can do is, okay, you can just change the whole window to the mobile view. You just need to drag the screen here and you can see that you can see the mobile view of the Dotbee. You can also keep it like it is, okay, and you can also do your analysis. And you can see there's a switch here. You can see the chat, or if you want to see the wall where we have the ready-made analysis of gold, you just need to select here and there it is. You have the mobile version of the analysis that you get from the .p. And the awesomeness doesn't end here. You can see a code on the screen. If you use the code on the chat box here, you will be earning 2 USDT for registration, which is free of cost. So my dear friends, feel free to check out Dotbee and the link is in the description. So one thing that we can clearly see on the chart is that on higher time frame, or for example on the 4 hours time frame, we can clearly see that market has crossed the previous low here. So we cannot consider this market to be a pure uptrend market, because market broke the previous low and things are not very positive like it used to be. Okay, and in a trend reversal, okay, in a trend reversal, market first forms a lower low like this, and then market forms a lower high. It means that the next high of gold is going to be very, very important. To continue the upside, gold will have to break this level and will have to start going up. If it fails to do so, for example, if gold reverses from 2360, 2370, okay, it will be forming a lower high, and technically it will be an indication that market is going down or market will be in downtrend. Okay, so on higher time frame we can see that slowly market is heading towards a trend reversal. So the next high of gold is going to be very, very important. And yesterday gold made a low of 2290. So if market breaks 2288, we can expect further downside and we can look for a sell below this level. At this moment it is very hard to tell, okay, from where the market will reverse, but if market breaks 2288 level, we can look for a sell, expecting the market to continue the downside. And where is the next support? The next support on the chart of gold is around 22502, 2257. This is the next support on the chart of gold, because you can see this was the previous, okay, market has shown previous support around this area. We also have the 200 moving average. Okay, so and to 2250 is a round number, so around this area at least you can expect the market to pause for a little in case there is a big fall also. Okay, I'm not saying that this will be the level from where market will bounce, but at least you will see a pause. So if you take a sell around 2288 area, you can exit by 2250, 2255 level. Okay, so this is the next immediate support, but not a very strong support. Where is the next big support then? The next big support on the chart of gold is around 2200. So if market starts falling and if you are a swing trader, positional trader, then you can take a sell below 2288 and you can be on the sell with your TP around 2200. It may take a few days, but you can expect the market to head towards 2200. 2200 earlier also we have discussed, it's a round number, big number, and along with that, okay, you can see the previous resistance will also be acting as support. And moreover, okay, if we draw FIBO here, you can see market has respected FIBO very nicely. So, and this is also the next FIBO level around 2200. Okay, so now let's look at the trading opportunities for a day, because these levels 2250, 2200 are far away from the current market price. So let's look at the immediate trading opportunities. To find out the immediate trading opportunities, okay, we had to use FIBO extensively. Okay, for example, here you can see we have drawn FIBO, and we can see right now market is standing around FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So during the day, okay, the volatility of the market, listen to me carefully, the volatility of the market is going to be very important. It is going to play a very important role. Especially during the Asian session and European session, we don't get to see much volume and volatility. In that case, you can expect the market to reverse from 2346 and 2350. And then we have the second resistance around 2360. You can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, the previous support will be working as resistance. And right now, as there is not much clarity, if you're also struggling to understand the market, so try to look for 40 pips only. Yes, we are back to our 40 pips game again. Okay, so if you see market is reversing from 2347 2348 area, okay, you can look for a sell, try to exit around 40 pips. Okay, and if you see the market is very bullish, okay, in that case obviously you need to avoid sell position at 234650 level. In that case, you can look for a sell around 2360. This is FIBO 50% retracement level. Again, similar stuff. You can see previous support will be working as resistance. Along with that, we can also see dynamic resistance from the 200 moving average. So if we combine all the factors, in absence of craziness, we can definitely expect a quick sell opportunity around these two areas as a day trader. Okay, 234650 zone and 2360 area. Keep in mind the volatility is going to be very, very important. We are traders, not gamblers, so do not place buy or sell positions blindly. Okay, and at present we can see that there is not much volume in the market, volatility in the market. So if market remains like this, and if you see a little bit of a downside, then okay, then you can look for a buy around 2312 2307. These are the two levels. You can clearly see we have derived these levels from Fibonacci only. FIBO 50, FIBO 61.8, and here also we can see the price action is also giving us the confirmation that these levels should work. The previous resistance is working as support. Before the US session, the US session will bring volatility and volume, and during the US session it will not work. So when there is not much volume, you can expect a quick bounce of 30-40 pips around these two areas as well. If market bounces, you can hit the buy button, but whatever it is, okay, always follow proper risk management. Yesterday we saw how crazy the market was, so capital protection should be the first priority of any trader. Do not forget it. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, be careful, and do not gamble.